If you have just a roof over your head and enough space, you can work, and the kids can learn. I get a great deal of pleasure when I see kids who've come from a family where no one's ever been to school, and that they're the first ones to go through to grade 6, then they're the first ones to finish year 12, and they're the first ones to go to college.
Adventist Volunteer Services, or AVS, is an opportunity for people to serve in a mission setting globally. This can include a huge variety of jobs. Helen Hall is an AVS worker, originally from Australia, now working in an Adventist school in Asia. She runs the school that ranges from grades 1 to 12. Her dedication and passion to the job has allowed hundreds of children to graduate and to move on to opportunities they might never have had otherwise.
John is holding a manila. Bat.
The mission at this school is for students to receive a quality Adventist education, both academically and spiritually. But most of the students here are not Christians, making it hard to reach them spiritually.
It's very difficult for a Buddhist to become a Christian. And if they do it too quickly, then it causes big problems in their family. But if they wait and go a little more slowly, then they can get by.
Helen's experience has taught her what works and what doesn't work in reaching the students. She has had quite a bit of success in teaching her students about Jesus.
Well, a normal day we try to get everybody at worship by 8:30 or 8:20, and then we just go through the classes. We've got a lot of teachers here who, when they came to us as students, none of them were from Christian homes. And they're wonderful workers now.
After students graduate, they will usually go on to university. After university graduation, some students agree to come back to the school and work a certain number of years. This is how Helen has guaranteed workers to keep the school running.
Some people have to do a ton that you can't do. Oscar gloved and choked over his glass of water. Such a display of wit from Dad was almost unknown.
She teaches right along with the other teachers. Students pay close attention to the valuable lessons she gives in a variety of topics including sciences, English, math, and the Bible. Atu is a graduate from Helen's school. He now works in villages telling people about Jesus. Atu has helped start multiple churches in these villages. The villagers love hearing stories from the Bible. Most of them are hearing the name of Jesus for the first time. Atu knows that God has blessed him with the opportunity to do this. He gained a strong grasp on the Bible while at Helen's school and is now passing on his knowledge to others. He is just one of many graduates using what they have learned in school for God's glory. Despite all the success from this school, the challenges are big. In addition to religious barriers, things such as financial resources, shortage of educational materials, and even lack of space are constant challenges. But when these challenges surface, Helen looks to someone she knows can pull through the situation.
When you get this discouraged, the Lord sends us some blessing or something, and then you know that He's still with us. No man's got wisdom enough to know what to do. Only God can know and guide us as to how we should go.
As you can see, the work of an AVS worker has the power to change lives. They can teach people about Jesus and set them on the right path. Helen is just one of many AVS workers around the world facing the challenge of mission daily. Please pray for these workers And thank you for supporting the mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church.